Now let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a video about the gear that I have for hiking. Kind of a nice beginner's guide, if you will, to day hiking. There's a certain number of things that, even if I'm going to go on a little 45-minute, hour and a half day hike, little walk, whatever you want to call it, I always bring my backpack with a certain list of supplies in it. And obviously you always want a pocket knife or two. One of the main reasons for that is, especially if you're hiking near a body of water where there's fishing, you can turn around and cut the line out of a limb and clean up a little bit of nature. You do want to watch out for hooks, but you always want to bring a bag with you, a couple plastic bags for garbage as well, and of course a backpack. Water, snacks, things of that nature. But anyway, let me know in the comments if it's of interest to you at all. Those of you that watch this, I don't know how many people are going to watch this, but if you want to hear my list of hiking supplies, I'd be more than happy to make a video on that. I know I used to just grab a bottle of water out of the fridge and put my tennis shoes on and head out. And took me dozens of times of doing that and wishing I had this and wishing I had that, and you know what we should have brought was this, and all of a sudden I've realized, let's just get a whole list of supplies together, and every time we go, let's bring it. So now I never have to worry about it. Bugs are definitely out today, which is another item on the list. Bug spray, sunscreen, etc. Here's a real neat bridge I'm going to show you guys, and then we'll see. I might oh yeah, the creek is up. Boy, talk about nature running its course, huh? There's a real pretty shot of the creek. Alright. Well, hope you enjoyed this little segment. Rock Cut State Park, Loves Park, Illinois. If you're lucky enough to be in the area, come on out and check it out before the weather gets cold. It's supposed to be a harsh winter. And yeah, come on out and enjoy some nature, or get to a park near you if you're not in this area. It'll be snowing before you know it, folks. Alright, I'm going to let you go. You guys have a great day and enjoy the simple outdoors, and I'll see you next time.